Hey there, Licknriffers, and get ready to become addicted to 10th harmonies. 10th harmonies. As you can hear, harmonies are actually chords. Now, I'm playing this on my baritone guitar, but in case you don't have a baritone guitar, it works just as nicely on a regular acoustic guitar, if it's in tune. Okay, so 10th harmonies are basically chords in which you just play the bass note and the major or minor third of it, the defining note, an octave above. Because if you have C, D, E, okay, C major, then you're not playing that E. You're playing the next E. You're playing C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 10 letters above C. Now, most chances are you've already come across 10th harmonies, you just didn't know that. Okay, if you've ever played Blackbird or okay, or Road Trippin' by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Those are 10th harmonies, basically. The way you build a 10th harmony is really easy. You have, let's say, a major. You just have the root and the major note, okay? The note on the third string. That's your 10th harmony. If you want a minor chord, then instead of one fret apart, it's the same fret. So instead of 5 and 6 for a major chord, we'll have 5 and 5 on the bass string and the third string, and we have a minor. Now, the way to play this is to, first of all, get used to this. So I started with B minor on 7, so it's 7 and 7, and then I went to A major, 5 and 6, and then G major, 3 and 4, and then F sharp minor, 2 and 2. Okay, now I went back up and I also played E minor, 12 and 12, and I played D major, which is 10 and 11, and I played C major, which is 8 and 9. So you can just play a continuous bass note and play around with the high notes. You can try open strings. You can create really interesting piano-style chord transitions. Now, this works on strings 2 and 5 as well, as in Blackbird. Okay, this is a different key, but it still works. Now, the really cool thing here is that 10th harmonies are very forgiving if you go outside your own key. See? Now, something really cool that I like to do is to hammer on the bass note. It's completely random, and you can also slide. The more you allow yourself to do, the better it will sound. See? No rules, just go crazy. And this simple harmony, this 10th harmony, can keep you busy for hours on end, just trying different things. It's completely addictive. Now I'll let you go try this yourself. And I'm inviting you to support Licknriff on Patreon and help me continue create more lessons and more videos for you on Patreon. And when you support Licknriff on Patreon, you get instant access to 10 of my best-selling courses. It's all there inside my Patreon page, and you can also join me on my weekly webinar. You can save your spot. The links are in the description. It's called From Amateur to Awesome, and it's awesome. So come join me and say hi. All right, now you go have fun with this, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.